Who said making money online had to be tough? Today we're unlocking the secrets of freecash.com, where extra cash is just a few clicks away. Welcome back to our channel where we turn opportunities into real cash. Today, we're exploring freecash.com, a platform dedicated to helping you earn by doing simple online tasks. First up, head over to freecash.com and hit that sign up button. It's free, quick and easy thanks to their user-friendly interface. Now let's talk money making. FreeCash offers various offer walls. These are games, tasks, surveys, and more that you can complete to earn cash. Just share your opinions or complete simple tasks. Feeling competitive? Jump into daily and monthly leaderboards to earn extra bonuses. And don't forget, when you bring friends on board through referrals, you earn a percentage of their earnings too. Here's a real kicker. I've been using FreeCash for just a few weeks, and this month I made $100 during my lunch breaks just by completing games and surveys. And meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who bagged $250 in her first month, which she used for her daughter's birthday gift. When you're ready to cash out, FreeCash has you covered. Whether it's PayPal, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards, the choice is yours. So what are you waiting for? Hit that link in the description below and join the FreeCash community and start boosting your income today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.